So we had problems with the registrations initially, but somehow out of so many people applied, only 20 or 25 could get entry to the festival. But what we found over here, that for protesting, raising a voice, raising a placard in the inauguration ceremony, 2 of our ex-students and independent filmmakers were arrested. And secondly, one student, current student of ours, wore a simple FTI t-shirt, and he was detained and was intervened and everything by the police, and he was detained by the police and asked so many questions, was harassed for 10 hours at a stretch for just wearing a simple t-shirt. And I mean, this is really ridiculous, and yesterday the authorities said that you cannot protest in Goa, so because you are maligning the image of Goa. But I just wanted to ask a question: are we maligning the image of Goa, or you are maligning it yourself by arresting us? What have we done? What have we done? We are just raising a question. We are just raising us. We are not doing any illegal activities. So how do we? How are we guilty? How are we put charges? And they are putting charges disrupting the festival or gathering or anything. And you will observe that the festival is happening at a gunshot point. We have 900 policemen and security forces just to condemn us. So I seriously have a problem with this. And when we today we organized a film fest of FTI package, because the entire FTI student packages has been removed from the IFFI. So we decided to screen some of our films, FTI films, student films with certification and proper EA. So the administration, the authorities said that you cannot do that. You cannot do that because you are you are protesting. You are sort of raising your voice against the system. So when we reached the venue for doing minor arrangements for the screenings, we saw 20 policemen just barging in and saying, "You cannot do this. Stop this right now." So it was really very scary, because police coming in to disrupt a screening is for the public. The screening is for the public, and people received open invitations. Anybody can come and see these films. But the police just barged in and said, "You have no permission and you cannot screen films over here." That's how the system is against the FTI students. But you had permission, right? We had permission. Father Maverick had done all the arrangements, but the authorities thought that we might be provocating people against them. So this is how they are trying to disrupt all these things. But I would like to open this question to every responsible citizen of this country: that are we wrong just screening films? Those are exercises from FTI courses. So are we wrong in some ways screening films? This is my question. I'm really surprised. Goa has been a very liberal space. People, artists, filmmakers and visionaries do come here, literature academicians and all, and it is a very liberal space for discussions and open screenings and open dialogue and debates. Why such kind of an attitude is seen in the administration, in the police, in the Goa administration? I fail to understand. This is my 5th time in IFFI. Goa never had experienced such a bad bad behavior by them. And there's one student who was recruited for films division, and his internship was cancelled. Just they said that you might be a potential threat. You might be a potential threat. So they cancelled, and at the same time, people from other film schools such as SRFTI, they continued their internship, and this guy was sent back the day when he arrived. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, I am seriously offended by it.
Thank you. And can you just add, how does it feel when democratic protest is muzzled day after the other, one after the other?
I mean, this is we are heading to a dictatorship. We are the responsible citizens of India because we know what the system is going on, and like-minded people are coming together. People are raising questions. How can you raise questions on the government? But I am asking them that who is the government? It's we who create the government, and the government should listen to us. This government is for us, of us and for us. So when I see that, every democratic every kind of a protesting is the birthright of every citizen of this country, and peaceful protest should not be disrupted. Peaceful protest is the right of everybody, and when I see such kind of demolition is happening on peaceful protest, so I am really dejected. I'm really devastated. 2 days ago, for protesting, senior citizens were stampled by the police under the authority. They had orders from the authorities. I mean, who are these authorities? Are we heading to a dictatorship government? I'm seriously stunned, and I'm seriously dejected by it.